Come on. Hey, give them,
And
come
this is
on.
John, the owner of the Suya Factory. Absolutely amazing. Listen, guys, the food is absolutely phenomenal. Like, I can't recommend it enough.
If our faces aren't selling the food, then I don't know. I might tell a joke, but I'll never tell a lie. Suya Factory is nobody's mate. The food was exquisite, and to think they will be at BTF serving up all this deliciousness is even more reason to get your ticket today. All the food is freshly prepared, perfectly seasoned, and was made with love. Your taste buds will be jumping for joy.
I just met him, I'm super proud of you.
Oh.
Guys, make sure you...
Amazing, by the way.
Oh.
Thank you very much, guys.
Make sure you guys plug into the Suya Factory, follow them, and be at BTF because they will be serving there too.